What's up, guys? I am Banker with Custom Offsets, filling in for Brad because he's like on maternity leave or something. I think he had a baby. I don't know. Anyway, this is gonna be an episode of Lifts and Levels. So we are doing a 7 to 9 McGaughys kit for the 14 to 18 Silverado Sierra 1500s. So let's go over some of the parts here. So first things first, you're gonna notice that this one has been custom powder coated to match the truck by the customer. We'll start here. Now he went with the SS Premium kit, so you'll see it's got the fancy stainless steel face plates and obviously different powder coats. So we got a front drop cross member here, the rear one here. He did go with the upper control arms. This truck is going to be set at 9, so he did go with that upgrade as well. In addition, he went with the McGaughys upgrade traction bars, so we've got some brackets for that right here. That's all this is. And these are a floating traction bar, so they're not affixed, so they got a little bit of movement in there, which is actually kind of cool. Doesn't make such a stiff ride with the traction bars on there. Diff drop here, and I know as Brad always likes to say, it's a true 7-inch diff drop, so when it's set at 9, it's a little bit of an angle, but nothing crazy, well within its limits. Back here we've got some brackets for the compression strut, which again is another McGaughys exclusive type of deal. Sway bar drops, everything here, skid plate, braces for the drop cross members, diff drop, we've got the new lift knuckles right here, brackets again for the rear traction bars, sway bar relocation stuff. Here we have the rear traction bars. Again, it's a premium kit, so it's got the laser cut, boxed bars. Front compression struts, again, laser cut. McGaughys includes new tie rod ends. We got some CV shaft spacers, and then we get into the fun stuff. So that is your basic McGaughys kit. Now this kit would come with some McGaughys struts, the large block for the rear, some U-bolts, things like that. If you're going to do the 9-inch, they offer a. If you're going to do the full 9-inch, they do offer an add-a leaf to pair with the rear leaf blocks. This customer, however, decided to go away with all of the McGaughys shocks and everything, and went with a rear cognito setup. So back here you'll see Fox resis for the rear and Fox coilovers with the reservoir for the front. Now these are set to 7 inches now. We'll adjust them up to 9, and everything will fit because it is designed for 9 inches with the cognito kit. And in the rear we've got a Deaver leaf pack with a 3-inch block over here. So those paired together are going to give us the 9 inches in the rear. So it's a little bit of a mixture of a kit, but it should be pretty sweet, and this is going to have some massive wheels and tires, so it definitely needs a lift. But I'm going to let Brent get started and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so we got the lift kit installed in the truck. I know you all hate it when we do these on the ground, but extenuating circumstances, that's what we got to do. We'll just put Lawson on a creeper and shove him underneath to get his shots of the kit. So as we dive in here, anything that's red obviously is going to be new. So the McGaughys lift knuckle, upper control arm here, you'll see great angle on the upper control arm. Same as the CV axle shaft. So even with that 9-inch cognito strut in there, everything is still nice and flat at good operating angles. You see the new McGaughys supplied tie rod end in there, as well as the sway bar drop and the front and rear cross members. Now the cool thing about the McGaughys kits, it's got all of that bracing. So it's got the braces in between the cross members, and it's got the compression struts that kick off the back. So it's a really solid lift kit. You could off-road this if you so choose. Don't think that's going to happen with this truck too much. See the skid plate under there obviously as well. Now as we make our way to the back, you'll see that we've got the McGaughys traction bars on, paired with the Deaver leaf spring and 3.5-inch lift block. So that was part of the Cognito kit, as well as the Fox Resi Resi's shocks in the rear. Not a whole lot going on in the back. It's a leaf spring truck, you know, in the back, so there's not too much exciting stuff going on, but you will see the majority of everything new has been color matched. Now, I've driven this thing. It actually rides really, really nice, despite the fitment that you can only turn halfway. But it's a good kit, obviously highly customizable, as you can see, and it's a great option. So you should go out and buy one, and hopefully Brad is back by the time we have to do another one of these, so I don't have to do it. Peace.